Hold on. Wait a minute. I didn't even put the mic. I didn't put the... Ah! We got Mike. All right, everybody. What's up? What week is it? Fuck. Week 76. It's week 76. This is another vlog. We're doing an Eat, Ship, and Die thing. I got... What's your name?
My name is Saffron Olive. And
Saffron Olives.
MTG Goldfish.
All right, no fun. All right, we're not going to have any fun. This is very serious. This is John. He works here or something. This is Eat, Ship, and Die. It's the Pandora's Deckbox vlog. You go to pandorasdeckbox.com. You save 5% of the first order. You save Eat, Ship, and Die. QR code. I can talk about the news. I got a wife and I got a John. And, you know.
You have a child.
I have a small child.
And a dog.
And a small dog. Magic news. All right, listen, shut up. The notes are bad. Everything's bad. We had a busy week. All right, let's talk about it. Magic news. Stupid fucking secret carousel.
Four cards.
It's 4 cards.
Wizards was aware that they made a problem because they apologized it like the next day.
It was $9.
Yep.
And then it was $15. And then it was $28.
Yeah, they did the normal and then they did like super high and they said like 5% of it was the super high and people bought it anyways.
It's really dumb.
In my haste, I bought the non-foil by accident.
You goofed.
Yeah, but you know, I got something, so that's more than most can say.
Yeah, I could only get it at the regular price of $29.99, $39.99. I didn't do it because it's 4 cards and they didn't have a lot of value. I didn't do it. New secret lair alert.
Yeah.
There's a new D&D super drop.
Yeah,
everything
D&D. Well, there's more.
Oh, there's
D&D.
Wow, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
There's Gale, there's Shadowheart, there's some dragons and some other shit.
Blacklight poster is what they called it.
Oh yeah, the new foil treatment or whatever. It's just like that does kind of look kind of fun. I don't know. We'll get some. That's Monday, right? It's coming Monday at noon. Super drop.
Yeah, and also they did a whole thing about why they're not doing print to demand.
I forgot.
They did the whole thing where like, we're going to talk about print to demand. And everyone's like, woo.
Yeah. Nope, we're not doing it.
Yeah, it's great. They blamed 30th anniversary for one of the things because they referenced the Reddit post where people found 30th anniversary in a landfill. And they were like, it's bad for the environment, so we're not doing it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's great. It's great.
Give me that fucking mic.
Whatever.
There's a new band and restriction announcement going out on Monday as well. So get your secret layers, get your stuff banned. There's a big hype train. Maybe the Jewel Lotus is coming back.
Yeah.
You think it's coming back?
No.
Okay, there it is.
No.
Pokemon news. So this note was old. At the drop, we had nothing for Ascended Heroes. And then Monday, we got some Ascended Heroes. We got some distribution. We got very small. We got 1 display, which is what, 10 units of the 3 packs?
Stickers.
I don't know what the price I'm at. There's a sticker.
It feels bad. It's terrible.
Yeah, I'm like, should we break it apart and sell it as singles so that you only have to pay $14 a pack? Or should you pay $40 for 3? I don't know. We're going to have to limit it.
We'll discourage people from buying it.
You're not allowed to buy it. Yeah, we're going to trace your whole bloodline. Limit 1 per bloodline. I don't know what to do with
Chaos Rising leaks.
Oh yeah, talk about Chaos Rising.
Yeah, you're gonna put the images.
Oh yeah, definitely putting
Greninja.
Here it is.
Yeah, Greninja.
There's a fake ETB AI image of an ETB. Yeah, it's very fake, but everybody believes it. I don't know if I'm telling you.
There it is, right there. Yeah,
that's fake. Don't learn from AI. It says not for children or whatever. It's nerd for children. GameStop is selling Ascended Hero cases way above MSRP.
Yeah,
they're a villain.
Yeah, it's like over $100-something for ATBs. Yeah. Perfect
Order is confirmed to be the next set, and I've read all of it. Greninja is the next. Lorcana news. Winter Spell Enchanted card previews are here.
There it is.
Wow.
Greninja.
Business news. We were invited to this is really what? What do you want to talk about?
There's no real One Piece news. It's the same thing every week.
Yeah, we don't have any.
Yeah, no tins.
But we're getting
buy tins.
I don't even know what the tins are. Tell me about the tins.
They have packs in them.
All right, don't buy those.
And they're out already. And people have EBO3. Is that the name of the
I'm
one?
so close to the mic or the camera, and my it's gonna be all forehead, and then you in the back. It's gonna be great.
It's your best angle. It's all right.
It's my best angle.
Yeah, One Piece EBO3. People are selling it right now, and it's terrible. Don't buy it. It's overpriced. People are paying thousands of dollars for
Yeah.
$10 of the cards.
There's gonna be drama. There's like there's a gender issue with one of the cards.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
We're not participating in the discourse.
No discourse.
We're not participating in the discourse. Was it don't go to basketball games for One Piece cards? It's a nightmare. Have you seen that?
Don't go to basketball games.
There's like a college basketball thing for a Luffy card, and it's a nightmare, and people are causing issues and getting kicked out, and police are called, I think, or something like that.
That's fair. Yeah, people suck. We don't have any. Don't try to buy it. We're never going to stock it until we can get some, but we may have some for EBO3. Some very strict limits. Crazy is going to, and mostly for players. And we're going to filter you out if you call and you just want One Piece to...
No, don't let them know.
Oh, wait, no. No, wait, you don't watch this anyway. It's fine.
Yeah.
Businesses. We got invited to our first Pokemon pre-release for Chaos Rising. We're going to have a pre-release. It's going to be real. You get the build and battle kits. You get a couple packs. You get a little mini deck.
Yeah, that's the one with Greninja in it.
It's the one with the Greninja. This Greninja.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll have a pre-release going on. I don't know how much we're going to get. Probably a little baby bit. But also, Riftbound is happening Friday? Not tomorrow. Friday.
Soon.
Spirit Forge, set 2. We got a little bit of it. We got enough pre-release kits to run a pre-release event, and then we got a couple boxes coming after that and letting people buy it. It looks fun.
It's awesome.
There's an issue with the rarities, I was told. The packs sometimes don't have 2 rares when you're supposed to have 2 rares all the time.
Yeah. Apparently there's a lot of League of Legends cards. So.
Set 3. Yeah. Set 3 is going to be the one where they fix everything, and they promise. We joined Gamma. We talked about Gamma last week. It's a game manufacturers association or something, and we only know about it because Wizards invited us to some secret event, and maybe we're like, oh, maybe we should go to a secret event. Everybody says if you own a shop, you should go.
Well,
we'll see how useful it's going to be.
It's board games.
It's a lot of board games.
Yeah.
A lot of board games. So I don't know. We don't have room for board games here, but maybe
they're going to do a sequel to the Ravnica Clue. That's what the.
Oh, yeah. That'll be really fun.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Magic Monopoly cards or something. Boardwalk, let's go. I have a tool. If you want the next 9 minutes, you just skip it. There's a 9-minute video here. I'm going to interject as a tool. It made a thing for singles, the Roca. There's a chaos sorting system. You can go, we pull cards. It worked. How did it work?
It worked great.
Yeah.
Locals only for now. Except for that one guy.
That one guy, I said.
If you're watching this, you're all right.
I said to the one guy that put in an order that's not a local, I was like, yeah, sure, whatever. But I think, yeah, we should keep it locals. It's an inventory system for us as like a store owner, and less. The fact that it's public is kind of nice, but we're probably going to have to maybe put a password for locals or something. I don't know.
Work in progress.
We'll think about it, but here, watch the video. Oh, what's up, everybody? How's it going? I wanted to show you this tool that I built. It's our inventory system for single cards at Pandora's Deck Box. It's pretty crazy. It's a chaos system. We've got a Roca, we've got a robot. We were having a problem filtering the cards, finding the cards after we scanned them with the Roca because they're not sorted into any sort of meaningful system. If you've put it into set sort, name sort, then you got to merge that kind of stuff afterwards. It's a lot of post-processing. So instead, we run the cards through. It goes into a bin. That bin is the scan. The scan is just alpha sorted. So alphabetized in that one bin, that's it. So here's bin 1. It defaults to price, but that's fine. You can do stuff. So here it is. So this is actually how it appears in the physical reality. This card will be the first card in bin 1. And it goes down, right? There he goes. There's the cards. So you can pick a card. You say, oh, I want this Aces baseball bat. I put it in my cart. It showed up here. Now it's got a cart here. We can look at the detailed cart, which just highlights the things that you've selected. And then you can process an order. So that's cool. Let me show you something cooler. So say you have a list of cards you were building for a deck. You get this exported out of Archidect or whatever. Here's the list. I put some fake cards in here because these are actually in the system. This is a real order from somebody, but I wanted to show how it works. It's finding all the cards. Of course, now there's a glitch, but that's fine. It's got this checkbox that say automatically add cheapest available versions to cart. So it did that. And look at my cart now. It's got all the things that I wanted in here and the cheapest versions of each one of those. It sorts it by cheapest first. We have a floor of 25 cents, so everything is at least that much. And everything in here is pretty cheap. But if you want to look at what we pulled, and if you don't like a version, you can say, I don't want that Thopter mechanic, I want this Thopter mechanic. So you can change things out based on the art. When you hover the card, you see the art. Oh, I don't like this this gurgling appointer, I want this gurgling appointer. So you can go get that one. You go to the detailed cart. Here it is. That's pretty cool. So let's process an order. This is kind of simple, but you click submit order, and what happens? You put in your name. This is Henry's list. Henry at coolguy.com. I don't know if that's his real email. Probably not. Let's go to the staff login. I'm going to log in. I'm going to show you what the staff login looks like on our end so we can go pull you the orders. Again, this is a little slow. I don't know if I just need to spend more money to make the server faster or what, but it's a little slow. So we can manually import our scans from the Roca here, which is great. We don't have to have me running the command line to run the Roca scans. Basically, you would just drag and drop a CSV that's exported by the Roca. And then you wait a while for this orders page to populate, but then you got the orders. So this was the Henry order that we just put in. Henry, give me your cards. You wait a while. You just got to keep waiting. Server's slow. I don't know why. These are the cards we wanted to find and pull. So here's the list of cards. Say I pulled this card. Oh, great. I found the Baleful Strix. It's in bin 4 under the B's. Baleful Strix pulled. I clicked the checkbox. I waited like 15 seconds. I don't know why it's so long. And then it says it's pulled. Look at that. Oh, and then now I can just say, these cards are all here. Oh, you know what? This card I tried to pull, it's damaged. So I'll say it's problematic, damaged. And then I'll hit submit, and then in a lot of time, all these things will update to pulled. Oh my god, this boy's just... I got a baby, I got a dog, Look at this, little progress bar went up. Oh, isn't that cool? 4 pulled, 18 pending, and then we'll see this one go into error state. And what it'll do... Replacement, rip seam. Alright, that one was damaged, so we added a new one to the order instead, which is cool. So this one, problematic, damaged, and then this one is a replacement rip seam. It tells you to go to bin 94, it puts it in order so that you can just sit down with the rows and pull them. And then at the end, if you're done, you can delete the orders. There's a debug mode where it restores the order because I wanted to try. But look at it, showed 1 was an error, 5 are green. You hit submit order. Yeah, you can also do a manual pull if somebody wants, if you know what it is. TCGplayer, I didn't in the quantities. Here's our stats, which is kind of fun. And then there's just like a little staff management portal. We've got $42,000 worth of singles of 67,000 cards. So those orders that the Henry order, these cards went out of the system as soon as he processed this order so that nobody can double order the same cards twice. So these specific Baleful Strix, if there's only one in that slot, you're not going to be able to buy that one again. But let's go look for it. See if we can find it. If there's more than one, this example's not going to work. But let's look for Baleful Strix. Yeah, bin 4. I think that was a different one. Who knows? There might have been 2. But the idea is the items disappear in the orders. If you want me to prove it? All right, so let's buy this copper dragon, right? I'm going to send it, pull request, wait a while, atom test, test it, test, and then you're going to see that the copper dragon no longer appears on the home page, hopefully. Sweet. Alright, so it disappeared instantly. If I hit refresh, the cache should... This is going to take a little bit because the cache has been cleared. It caches all 38,000 items. Look at that. No more copper dragon. I can't double buy it. So, again, it's a pretty cool system. I've got it on GitHub as a private repo, but I can share it if you'd like. This is it. This is the thing we're going to use. Maybe someday I can get it faster. Maybe if I open it up to GitHub, we can have people submit pull requests and find performance optimizations and stuff. It sort of works on mobile, but look at Atom Test. Here it is. This is a copper dragon. This is the one. But I'm gonna debug restore it because I don't actually want that. But I can show you what it looks like when it fulfills. So let's say we've got the Copper Dragon. We pulled it from bin 60. And once it comes back, I don't know why it takes so long. I think it's refreshing the cache every time. All right, so pulled. The order's ready for fulfillment. You can click this green button now. But I don't want to do that. I want to do with a debug mode, auto restore the burned cards. So it's going to burn the cards from the system, and then it's going to restore the burned cards to the database so that, so you can buy it for real. Because I'm not really buying it. I'm just showing you a sample order. Give it a minute. It's processing. It's slow. I don't know if I need to spend more money. I did the $5 tier on Railway. It's the cheapest one. Cool. So it burned it, but then it restored it. So now if I go to the public view, you're going to be able to see that, and first of all, that order won't return. It's gone now. But if you go back to the public view, you'll see there is a Copper Dragon again because I was in debug mode and I restored the card. Here it comes. Wait for it. There it is. Copper Dragon. Yeah, so anyway, the interface, you click up if you want it. You click down to remove it from your cart. When it's added to your cart, it turns yellow. That's about it. You can sort by things. You can sort rarities. You can sort sets, everything that's in there. You can sort condition. You can get foils only, non-foils. This is inclusive, so have you played plus, moderately played plus, whatever. That's it. That's the whole thing. The rares have a little, the foils have a little rainbow pattern. All right, I've recorded long enough. Goodbye. Wow, everyone's asleep. It's over now. Anything else? Any other closing comments?
I don't know.
Do you like this?
Gundam! Yeah, we got Gundam!
Yeah, look,
Buy Gundam!
There's a little bit of Gundam.
They're calling it the next Lorcana.
They're calling it the next One Piece. They think that this is going to blow up better than...
They're calling it the next One Piece.
That's it. I don't know anything else to talk about. There's a short one this week. Have a happy holiday. What's the holiday? It's Trash Day.
For Gamma, thank you so much.
What? Outro?
Here's the
that outro.
Here's the mistake in the notes.
No, I'm not putting it in.
Here's another image of Greninja.
I'm not putting it in.
Now you have to, because you're like, oh, okay, it's funny if I put Greninja again.
All right, goodbye, everybody. Thanks for being a patron. We're going to roll a die. Here, you hold the mic, and you commentate upon the die. You want to roll the die?
Sure.
All right, he's going to roll a die. It's sacrilege. Let's do it. You did that one time. It was bone, right?
Yeah.
Remember that one time it was bone?
Yeah, my boner dice.
Bone dice.
What the hell?
All right, let's roll. It's Tungsten D20 tells us the future. It's so loud, and you ruined all those cards. What is it, a 12?
12.
It's a 12. I gotta zoom in so that I get the nice patron shot. Thanks for being a patron. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Thank you.